Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be the third and final video in my wheel and tire series. If you haven't checked out the other videos, please go check them out. So I finally have the racing wheels and tires mounted and balanced. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to weigh the racing wheels and tires. I'm going to weigh the factory wheels and tires. That way I'll see how much weight I'll be saving when I go to the track. So let's get started. We're going to start off by weighing the front skinnies and the front factory tires so we can see the weight difference between the two. Now, the front runners are not directional, so they can go on either side of the car. It doesn't matter. But I just have it broken down that this tire came off the driver's side and that tire came off the passenger side. So let's get started weighing them. And this front runner is weighing in at 35.5 pounds. Let's get this factory tire. All right, the front runner was weighing 35.5. The factory tire is weighing 64 pounds, so that is a savings of 28.5 pounds. All right, let's do the other front runner. It's weighing in at 36 pounds. And then the last tire, last factory tire. So we have 36 for the front runner. And 65 for the factory tire. So that has a savings of 29 pounds. So just on the front alone, we are saving about 29 pounds by going from the factory tire to the racing tire. So now let's jump into weighing the rear tires, where we have the drag radials and the factory rear tires, to see how much weight we'll be saving on the back. All right, everybody, now we're going to weigh the rear wheels and tires. Now I have them separated into the driver's side and passenger side, and the reason for that is because these Mickey Thompson tires are a directional tire, so they can only go on one way. So the way this is these are going to be the driver's sides, and those are the passenger sides. We're going to weigh them to see how much these weigh after they've been mounted and balanced, and then we're going to weigh the factory tires and see how much weight we'll be saving between the two. Now, the weight should be different between this tire and that tire, and same thing for the factory tires because of the weights. They have different weights to sit there and balance out the wheels and tires, so we'll see what they are. Now, this is the new rear driver's side tire. It's weighing 58.5 pounds. So let's weigh the factory driver's side tire and see how much that weighs. $63 pounds. So that is a difference of 4.5 pounds that we'll be saving when we go to the track. Now let's weigh the passenger side rear racing tire. $58 pounds. So now we're going to weigh the rear passenger side factory tire and see how much that weighs. 63.5 pounds. So the difference is 5.5 pounds between the aftermarket wheel and tire and the factory wheel and tire, so we'll be saving 5.5 pounds for when we go to the track. All right, everybody, there you have it. We will be saving about 57 pounds off the front of the car with the front runners, and we will be saving about 10 pounds off the rear of the car with the drag radials. Now, I hope this video helped you out if you are looking for a set of wheels and tires for the track, and if you are somebody who already has a set of wheels and tires for the track, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what wheels and tire setup you're using, if you like them or if you don't like them, and if you bother to weigh them, please leave that down below as well so we can use this video as a reference guide for anybody else who watches later. Well, that's all I have for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please click that subscribe button and turn your bell notification on so you stay up to date on my videos. I'm out. Everybody be safe.